So welcome back everyone. So today I just got back from Joann Fabrics and this is my bag of goodies. The cat is already helping herself to everything that's in here. We're gonna go through what I got. There's fabrics, there's notions, there's some clearance items. In total, everything came to $136, but that does include, I believe it was 6 skeins of yarn and some candy corn and a little Halloween decoration was part of my mom's items that she bought, but everything else was mine. So let's kind of go through this bag and see what's in there. Okay, so to start out, you'll see that I got a yard and a half of this clearance. So this was actually in their clearance section. It was a yard and a half of this material. I think it was supposed to be like a home good type material, but I'm gonna be using it to make a jacket for fall. I'm gonna start drafting out the ideas. I had multiple different ideas for it. It came in this tan color and they also had an olive green. I almost went with the olive green and then I changed my mind at the last minute and ended up getting this tan, which I'm very happy I did. I think it's a good neutral. Next, I got 8 yards of this tulle. I wanna try to make a skirt with it. I have an idea for it. There was a really helpful lady working at the cutting counter who she said like for professional tutus, they use about 16 yards. So I don't know if the 6 yards, or this is 8 yards, is gonna be enough for exactly what I'm thinking, but I'm just gonna add a lining underneath instead. Next, I got this really pretty like fashion material is what it was called, but it's of constellation, so it has sequins. It's really nicely done. I'm gonna be using this in, there was a cosmic challenge for one of the designers I follow on YouTube. So I'm gonna be using this fabric to do something along the lines of the challenge. I'll link it if I can find what the challenge name was. Next, I got this, so this was actually a remnant. I'm super excited about it. So it was 1 yard, it ended up coming, I think to around like $12. But look how pretty this is. Like there's little beads on it. I think it's gonna drape so nicely over some sort of elegant dress or shirt. So I'm excited to play around with that. Then I got 2 remnants of fleece. So I love making the little fleece blankets for stuffing as well as for dogs. So Bailey also has one. You've seen, if you saw the video on how you can make these, they're no-sew fleece blankets. They're very simple to do. I'll be sure to link the video up in the corner. You can make one yourself, but yep, so the animals are gonna be getting new fleece blankets. Next, I got this really pretty orange remnant. It's like a silky material. I think it's gonna look so nice for a dress. It ended up being, I think, around like $5 for all this, so it was a great bargain. And here's where we start to get into some of the other items I got. So I got some interfacing. I'm gonna be using this for a skirt as well as some other ideas. Then pull out what else in the bag. I got some elastic. I got one of these pens. I've really been interested in them. So it's disappearing ink marking pen. I saw one on YouTube, so I'm excited to try it out and I'll let you know how it works. I got this little hook, so I'm excited to use this. I saw a pattern to make basically a little holder for your asthma inhaler, and I thought that would be a great idea. People going back to school, going back to work, that way you can just kind of attach it to your bag. She's still very interested by everything. I finally got a thimble, so I am excited about that. And then I got some new needles for my sewing machine. So these are quilting, so for cotton fabric. I already had some that were for knits, but I needed some new ones, so excited for those. And then finally, they had a sale at the front where you could buy 1, get 3 free of like different spring and summer ribbons. They don't necessarily scream spring and summer to me, so I think they'd work well. And then I got this watermelon one because I love anything with watermelons on it. And then daisies. And then finally, we did also get the bag from Joann Fabrics. So we got this really cute bag that has cats on it. So you can tell the cat has already claimed it for herself. So I'm excited to get to use all of these. I have so many ideas that I almost don't even know where to get started because I already have so many other projects that I did start on, but I will be sure to keep you all up to date. If you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to like and subscribe.